Welcome to Unicelogy. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage your orders and track shipments efficiently using the Manage Orders module. Let's get started. Open the Manage Orders module. First, log into your Unicelogy account. From the left side menu, click on Manage Orders. Once the page opens, you land on the Orders dashboard, your central hub for monitoring all order activity. Orders Dashboard Overview. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see summary cards that give you a quick snapshot of your order status across all connected sales channels. These include total orders, new orders, pending shipment, in transit, returns, delivered. Each card is clickable. Simply click on any card to instantly filter and view orders under that specific status. This helps you quickly focus on what needs attention. Filtering orders. Unicelogy provides multiple filtering options to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Channel name filter. Using the channel drop-down, you can choose all channels or a specific channel such as WooCommerce, Amazon, Flipkart, and more. This allows you to view and manage orders channel-wise. Order status filter. You can also filter orders based on their status, including new orders, pending shipment, in transit, returns, non-delivered, delivered. Select the required status to narrow down your order list instantly. Advanced filter. For more detailed filtering, click on the Filter button. This will expand advanced filtering options. Inside this section, you'll find Search Orders. Select financial status, search orders. Use this field to quickly locate a specific order by entering order ID, customer name, or other relevant details. Select financial status. You can filter orders by payment status such as POD, paid, pending, refunded, cancelled. After selecting your filters, click Apply. To clear filters and return to the full list, simply click Reset. Resync orders. Next to the filter options, you'll find the Resync button. Clicking on Resync will refresh and fetch the latest order data from all connected sales channels. This ensures your dashboard always displays accurate and up-to-date information. Order listing table. Below the filters, you'll see the order listing table. This section provides detailed order information, including order details, customer details, channel, payment information, shipping address, supported couriers, shipped items, SLA status, current order status. On the right side of each order, you'll find the Action button. Using this button, you can view complete order details, perform shipment-related actions, bulk shipment processing. If you need to process multiple shipments at once, Unicelogy makes it simple. Select multiple orders using the checkboxes. Click on Create Bulk Shipment. This feature allows you to generate shipments for multiple orders simultaneously, saving both time and effort. Tracking shipments. Now, let's move to shipment tracking. From the top tabs, click on Track. You will be redirected to the Manage Tracking page. Track Shipment section. In this section, you can manually track any shipment. Here's how. Select the courier from the drop-down list. Enter the airway bill number, also known as the AWB number. Click on Track Now. The system will instantly fetch and display real-time tracking updates. If tracking details are not available, you'll see a No Data Found message. This feature allows you to quickly check shipment progress anytime. Final summary. With the Manage Orders and Tracking module in Unicelogy, you can monitor all incoming orders, filter orders using advanced options, search orders quickly, filter by financial status, resync the latest order data, create bulk shipments, track shipments using AWB numbers, monitor delivery and return status, all from one centralized dashboard. This module helps you manage and track your entire order lifecycle smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for using Unicelergy.